Hello everyone. So in this video we'll learn about the SQL queries, generally about the DML and DQL queries. So first we are going to create a new table in the test database that we have. Now for creating a table we have a command, we have a query, create table with any name we want, with any number of attributes or whatever the name we want for these attributes. We can create a table like I want to have name, uh, the type is varchar, the age, the type would be int, and gender. The type would be care. So if I execute this query using control enter, so our table is created. If I uh, click on tables and then F5 by using refresh button, so our table is created. So there is no data in it. So we can insert the data using insert query. Insert into test1. Now we can directly write the values. Suppose it's Ankur, so it's varchar, then I've put it into the single quotes, and the age would be 21, the gender would be male. So if I click on, if I run this query using control enter, so the value is inserted. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to fetch the data already written on the database or the table. Now for that we have the select query, select asterisk. Asterisk means we want all the data present on any table. So we have added the data into the table test1. Select asterisk from test1. Now if we click on enter, so we have gotten the data that we have inserted, or we can fetch the data already present on the any existing table. Okay, so this is the data of existing table. Now what we can do, we can update the existing data using update command, or we generally say update query. We have the update keyword. Now we have to keep the table name, update the table name, set title equal to. So if we hover here, we'll see it's a n varchar, and we can take the characters up to 160 characters. So this is something which is already written for those about to rock we salute you. So suppose we copy it and we add something extra in the update command, which is I have already written the exclamatory marks, where is the condition in which we want to update the desired row or a corresponding row or specific row. We don't want to update all the rows, so we write the condition using where clause. So where album ID equals to 1. If I execute this query using control enter, or whatever way you want, either through any uh, any language like Java, you can execute the query in this way, you can get the results. So if I execute on select operation, I'll get these exclamatory marks update as updated by update query. And if I want to delete the existing record from the database or from any table, we can use the delete command. We can use delete the table name. In this way we can delete the whole table, but if I want to delete just a row, then we can use the where clause. But in the test one we just have one row, so we can use this as well. If I execute this query, can I close the possible? Yeah, it is giving me warning that if I execute the delete statement without a where clause, then it might cause the data loss. So we just have a one row, so I say okay, you can delete that. SLM database near test one. Okay, so it's not allowing me to delete it. Okay, cool. So delete test one where age equal to 21. Again, it's not allowing me to delete it. Yeah, I think we need to add a from keyword here to delete the data. Now it's getting deleted. So that's all for the basic CRUD operations used in the database using SQL.